Navigating the current housing market this December of 2023 can be perplexing with conflicting information from various sources. If you're contemplating a move, uncertainties may leave you with lingering questions, and that's wherein an experienced and trusted local real estate agent becomes invaluable. Hi, Marni Kelce here, licensed Colorado Realtor since 2001. Here are the top 3 questions I'm currently being asked about today's housing market, as well as data-backed answers to ease your concerns. First is, what's next for mortgage rates? Mortgage rates are currently elevated and are impacting home affordability. The historical relationship between mortgage rates and inflation suggests that as inflation eases, mortgage rates tend to follow suit. Recent signs indicate a potential downward trend in rates in 2024. While some volatility is expected, experts anticipate a more favorable mortgage rate landscape in the coming months. Number 2, where are home prices headed? Contrary to concerns of a crash, home prices are steadily rising across the nation, albeit at a more sustainable pace. The Home Price Expectations Survey indicates a consensus among experts that prices will continue to climb in the upcoming years, offering reassurance for those considering entering the housing market. Number 3, is the recession around the corner? While recession concerns have loomed, recent data suggests a shift in expert opinions. Leading indicators now point to a diminishing likelihood of a recession. The majority of polled experts no longer anticipate a recession, providing positive news for the housing market. The bottom line is that the data paints a reassuring picture of the housing market, indicating signs of hope rather than cause for concern. If you have questions or uncertainties about the real estate landscape as we approach the new year, let's connect and discuss how these insights apply to your unique situation. Again, Marni Kelce, your community market leader and realtor extraordinaire. Thanks for sharing your time.